Hello everyone. So we are back still at Pop Century, but this morning we moved rooms and now we have a standard room with a pool view. So you can kind of hear everyone playing behind us.
Yeah, I'll show around and show you the pool here in a second. So we're in the 80s buildings, which is cool because we have like a giant Walkman right here and next to us, and then across the way is Roger Rabbit and the other 80s buildings. So we've got the 80s area over here that we're hanging out in with our room. And we do have a pool view, so let's check that out. I'll flip around. So we have the pool for the 90s and the 80s, which is very appropriately a computer. As you can see down there on the right, there's the computer keyboard, and that leads to the monitor, which kind of, if you look at the brick and the way it's laid out, the monitor is actually the pool itself. So they're showing you the computer pool here. And then if you look over on our left, I'm not sure if we'll be staying there or not, but it is another standard building. That is the 90s, and there's a laptop there in the 90s. And I just wanted to zoom in and see if I can show you guys one of the fun little hidden details in the 90s over here is the computer has Mickey heads as the background, and then it has a web browser open to abcnews.com, which of course is a Disney-owned website and company. And there's an ad at the top for Disney World, and then the page they're looking at is an article on the entertainment section that says Disney's Animal Kingdom opens today. So that was obviously referencing the 90s when Animal Kingdom opened, and of course Animal Kingdom just had their 20th anniversary this last year going into this year, because they opened in 98 into 99. So let's go ahead and check out our room and show you guys. So this time they actually gave us a king room here at Pop Century. We have not seen or stayed in the king rooms here at Pop Century since they were remodeled, and prior to this year we'd actually stayed here several times. So it was kind of cool to see the difference in a king room and a regular room that has the two queen beds with the pull down. So this room of course has just the one bed. It sleeps two people, and has the same mini fridge and coffee maker setup that we had in the previous room. Has a little single serve coffee maker. Hi Sarah, hi Cheryl. And this single serve coffee maker, ice bucket, cups, all that on this little station over here. Of course with our K-cups or our coffee packs and things in the drawer, nicely tucked away there for us. And that's the same as the other regular rooms here at Pop Century. But what's different here is we don't have a bed to pull down over top of a table. So instead, they have given us a table on the far side of the room. And you can see it's the table and chairs a little bit bigger than what we normally have, which is really nice actually. We get quite a bit of table space. Something we never seem to have is table space and counter space in these rooms. So it's always nice when they have extra like that. And we're trying to figure out what this is supposed to look like. My first thought was like a bowling lane of some kind, because like the triangles, maybe some kind of a pool table or something. I don't know. We're trying to figure out what it is. So if you know what this table is supposed to resemble or look like, just let us know in the comments. We'd love to get your take on it, because we really have no idea. But we're assuming it's something Pop Century themed. We do have a very similar chest of drawers. This one a little bit smaller than the one in the room with the two queen beds. This has 3 drawers and then of course the little shelves in there, but there's a little bit less space in there. The drawers aren't quite as deep or as wide in this room, we noticed. And of course we have a king size bed. That's the main major difference in here. You can see king bed takes up a lot more room in here than just those queen beds do, but it's really nice for us to have. You do still have the under the bed storage, so you have plenty of space to put your luggage and things like that. And they also have the USB outlets on either side of the bed with a little nightstand built in, so you have somewhere to put your charging devices at night. And then they included the same pop art of Mickey up there, so you have the 3 Mickeys above the bed, and that of course, as we mentioned in the last room, was the only place in this room that had the hidden Mickeys. Unfortunately, not very hidden, but we do have Mickey Mouse in here. These rooms do still also have the dividing door for the bathroom area, so you do have a big sliding door instead of a curtain. I'm sure many of you will be very happy about that. It is very nice being able to close that in the morning as people are getting ready. And there's an option for adjoining rooms here. This last room we had didn't have an adjoining door, but this one does, so you could have up to 2 connecting rooms here as well. We have our closet space with the hangers on it, which I noticed this in the last room after the fact. A little ingenious little extension there for your hangers, so if you need a little more closet space, they do have room for that. I found that after we did our video in the last room. And of course, below that, there's some shelf space as well, where you could store different things, and as well as these shelves over here on the left, where you have plenty of storage space. Like we've said before, when they remodeled these, they really added a lot more places to stick things and store them while you're in the room. Just a single vanity, but plenty of counter space for you to kind of spread out, which is always appreciated, as well as the light around the mirror, which is one of Alyssa's personal favorite things in these different rooms because it just really helps when you're getting ready in the mornings. They have the double sliding door here to the bathroom with a full-length mirror. So you do not have a regular door in there or a pocket door, it's just that double sliding door. And this room, instead of having a shower and tub combo, we only have a shower. So there's just the shower in here. It's the same shower head and detachable shower head as are in the previous room. And of course the larger bottled amenities over there. But this is a walk-in shower, not a shower tub combo. So unusual to see those here at Pop Century. Most of the rooms are tubs still with the glass sliding doors, but this particular one, they switched us over to a full-size shower. So a little bit different than our previous room. Mostly the bed and the table is the difference. But this is the king room here at Pop Century. We just are in a standard room with a pool view. And we're getting ready to head over in just a few minutes. We are going to dinner at
Ohana.
So very excited about that. Nothing like them bringing skewers and skewers of meat around to your table. And also the dumplings are amazing. And I'm very much looking forward to those dumplings because that's one of my favorite things there. So,
and we're planning to watch the fireworks from there.
Yeah, we have it during fireworks at Magic Kingdom at 9:15, so we should be able to see those, which is really fun. And also pineapple bread pudding at the end of the night. So yeah,
pretty much everything.
I'm hungry. I'm ready for Ohana. So we're gonna head over there and have dinner with a couple friends there. And then in a few days, we'll be changing rooms again, going to I believe a standard, maybe a preferred pool view next time.
I think it's preferred pool.
We've got 4 stays in a row here, so we're getting all the room categories here in the next couple days. So
yeah, so if you're planning on staying at Pop soon, good news, we're getting it all knocked out this round, so you'll get to see whichever room type you'll end up in. So we hope you enjoy those, and maybe we'll do a live of the fireworks.
Yeah, we'll see what kind of seat we have. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
We'll see. We'll see
if we're by the windows or not.
Anyway, thank you all for watching, and as always,
we're here with the ears.
Bye, guys.